All the way up in the north in Jammu and Kashmir, where polling is on for the second phase of District Development Council elections in Jammu and Kashmir being held today. The first phase saw an impressive 51% turnout on Saturday. The election for 280 seats will be held in 8 phases. This is the first electoral exercise in Jammu and Kashmir after the region was stripped of its statehood and its special status. Now today 40 seats will go to polls, and the main contest is between the BJP and the Gupkar or the People's Alliance, which is an amalgamation of 7 parties coming together. Nazir Masoodi now joins us for more on this. Nazir, it's almost about 1:15 right now. Any idea about what the voting percentage is looking like? We've been talking about how this entire municipal election has barely been about local issues, but more like a referendum of sorts on the abrogation of Article 370, or at least what the Gupkar Alliance and the People's Alliance would like us to believe on this front.
Well, Sonal, it has been a high-stakes battle for both sides, and BJP has actually launched a very aggressive campaign from day one. But the campaigning from this Gupkar Alliance or the People's Alliance has been muted one. The senior leaders have not actually campaigned. They could not, or they did not, because of the various reasons. And but the BJP has its senior leaders, central leaders, including ministers, are here in Jammu and Kashmir. They are aggressively campaigning for this election. So it is a high-stakes battle. And on the ground, it is calm, it is peaceful. That is the best thing you can think about elections in Jammu and Kashmir. There's not been a single incident during the campaigning or during the first phase or the second phase. And polling is going, it's a mixed bag. It is very impressive, polling turnout in most of the places. But in places like, what we hear from Pulwama, it has been very, very less, very dismal polling there. But largely, it has been very impressive in the first phase, more than 51%, and it may go the same way in this phase as well, because the details we got till 11 a.m. from the Election Commission, State Election Commission, are very, very encouraging according to the EC. And as there are a large number of local candidates in this place, in Kunzar, there are like 19 candidates for one district development council seat. There are reserved seats for the women, 33% seats for the women, which is actually drawing large number of women come out and vote. There are women candidates, they are contesting these elections. It is very, very interesting and also important because it's the first election post abrogation of Article 370. As I said, it is a high stakes battle for the both sides. Whichever way the results go will tell which way people of Jammu and Kashmir think. There have been allegations. There are counter allegations by the opposition. They were not allowed to campaign freely. Security was used as an alibi to prevent them from campaigning. But in many places, even I saw the talk to these opposition candidates. They said they could campaign without any problem. So, but largely we see the polling is going peacefully, and it's impressive polling in most of the places across Jammu and Kashmir today.
Well, quite a day for democracy and all the exercises all the democratic exercise that is taking place from the south to the north of the country. Thanks so much for joining us, Nazir. With that,